Everyone will become old. Have you ever thought about how to settle your life when you are old? Have you ever thought about going to nursing homes when you lose the ability to take care of yourself? But have you ever heard about the scandals in nursing homes that make you lose trust in this sector? In China, more and more aged people choose to live in nursing homes. This is not only because the increasing lifespan, but also the low birth rate that prevents the aged people from relying on the traditional family care, especially when their only child lived far from them, just like me. In China, more than 60% of nursing homes are run by non-profit organizations and chosen by most of people. However, scandals do happen there. For example, the directors in these non-profit nursing homes use the non-profit status to pocket profits for themselves. The non-profit nursing homes provide low-quality service and even abuse the aged. To solve these problems, I, in a corporate law view, use the doctrinal research method to analyze all legislations and more than 3,000 of annual reports in Chinese non-profit nursing homes. Then, I build a framework in 4 aspects to improve the corporate governance of non-profit nursing homes in China. Firstly, specify the director's duties rules with duty of loyalty and duty of care. This will provide a clearer standard for directors' behavior and for better accountability. Secondly, improve the independence of the supervisory board, as most of Chinese non-profit nursing homes has established a supervisory board to monitor the work of board of directors. Improve their independence will help their monitor be more objectively and effectively. Thirdly, improve the transparency of these non-profit nursing homes, such as require them to provide more accessible and understandable annual report to the public for accountability. And finally, reform the enforcement measures in these non-profit nursing homes with stronger regulatory penalties and private litigation. This will help deal with the misconduct of the directors. This framework in 4 aspects will help the directors in non-profit nursing homes better fulfill their duties and be more accountable to the clients, the public, and the regulator, and therefore help the aged people have a happy and high-quality life in nursing homes.